everyone. Today my mom and I are going to do some fun cooking.
We are going to show how we are going to do chickpeas. So y'all can get the chickpeas tins. It's easy. In Sri Lanka, we give chickpeas for the children as a snack or morning breakfast. Very healthy and very nourishes. Do you like chickpeas?
Oh, I love chickpeas.
Okay, so let's start cooking. First, we have to put little oil. Depends on each and every one. If you want, you can use coconut oil. That's also very healthy. When the oil gets a little bit warm, you can put little mustard
Seeds.
Yeah, little mustard seeds, and you can wait till it pops. Red chilies you can use depending on how spicy you like. You can use 1, 2 depending on yourself. Little bit curry leaf, pinch of salt, that also depends on you, how you like. Onions also you can put half onion, 1 onion, that depends how each and everyone likes. Now the mustard and the oil is boiling, so we can add some onions. That depends on how you like. And allow the onions a little bit to become reddish. Not too dark, just slight. At the same time, we can add the red chilies. We can break into 2 and add and mix it well. Normally when you put the red chilies into the oil, the spice, it comes less. It won't be that spicy. To reduce the...
I enjoy staring.
Now we add some curry leaves. Now we are going to add the chickpeas, soaked chickpeas. Pinch of salt. Mix well. Leave it for a few minutes. Now we can off the heat and it's ready to serve. It's ready to serve. How was it? Do you like it?
Yummy.
That's nice.